Now guys, today's lecture is of course from periodic properties and topic is electron affinity. Now electron affinity is one of the periodic property like that of atomic size, ionization energy. Let's see first definition of electron affinity. What is meant by electron affinity? Electron affinity is defined as the amount of energy released when an extra electron is added to the valence shell of an isolated gaseous atom for the formation of gaseous mononegative ion, that is a formation of anion. इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी म्हणजे अशी एनर्जी जी बाहेर टाकली जाते, रिलीज होते जेव्हा बाहेरून इलेक्ट्रॉन गॅशियस ॲटम मध्ये, आयसोलेटेड गॅशियस ॲटम मध्ये ॲड केला जातो, घेतला जातो, त्यावेळेस जी काय एनर्जी बाहेर टाकली जाते त्या एनर्जीला म्हणायचं इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी. आपण एक्झाम्पल पाहूया. X G, that is in a gaseous state, we added one electron, there is a formation of X minus, that is anion takes place, plus energy is given out, that is release. Here we take example of chlorine. Chlorine take one electron and there is a formation of chloride ion takes place. Now chlorine having 2, 8, 7 electron, that is 7 electron in its valence shell. It take one electron and their electronic configuration is become as a 288. The addition of first electron involved release of energy, hence it is a exothermic reaction. Now this picture gives idea about electron affinity. Left side there is a gaseous atom, we are going to add electron, then that atom acquire negative charge and electron is given out in the form of a electron affinity. After formation of after taking electron, there is a formation of anion, gaseous anion takes place. Now bottom picture gives again idea about formation of anion. Now this bottom picture gives idea about size also. Now parent atom having smaller size compared to the form anion. Form anion having bigger size than its parent atom. Incoming electron get added to the last valence shell. Now like that of ionization potential, there is also successive electron affinity. That means addition of electron does not take place at one stage. Addition of electron takes place step by step and that is called as a successive electron affinity. When first electron is added to the valence shell of an atom for the formation of gaseous anion, then it is called as a first electron affinity energy. We take example of oxygen. Oxygen when take first electron, there is a formation of O minus gaseous ion takes place. So as it take first electron, that is we add first electron, whatever amount of energy is given out, that is called as a first electron affinity. Now this oxygen before accepting electron having 6 electron in its last valence shell. By accepting 1, it acquire configuration as a 2 and 7. But still octet is not completed. Hence this oxygen again accepts second electron. Now this second electron get added to the previously formed anion, that is O minus. So O minus, then within that O minus anionic oxygen we are going to add second electron, and that's why whatever amount of energy is there, that is not get released. We have to supply energy because we forcefully added electron. We added electron within the previously formed anion, that is which having previously negative charge. So within that negatively charged anion, we are going to add second electron. Hence energy is not released. We have to supply energy for the addition of second electron, and hence second electron affinity is a endothermic process as there is no release of energy takes place. When oxygen acquires second electron, there is a formation of O2 minus gaseous anion takes place. Now here, first electron affinity of oxygen is 141.13 kilojoule per mole and second electron affinity of oxygen is 844.0 kilojoule per mole. Now these values indicate that for the addition of second electron, energy required is much more. Second electron is added to a firstly formed mononegative gaseous anion, and hence we require energy for the addition of second electron. So hence second electron is an endothermic process as we add electron. Now this graphical representation give idea about electron affinity of the elements present in the periodic table. Now it is not a continuous one. It is zigzag manner, that is in some cases it is increase, in some cases it is a decrease, and so on. So because of different factor, no continuity is observed in case of a electron affinity. Now next point is the factors which affect electron affinity. Now there are total 4 factors. Let's see first factor, that is atomic size. Smaller atom attract electrons strongly. So smaller the atomic size, greater will be the electron affinity. Why? Because incoming electron or added electron gets strongly attracted towards the nucleus as size is small. The distance between central part, that is nucleus, to the incoming electron is small, hence it is easily get attracted. As it is easily get attracted, more amount of energy given out, which is nothing but electron affinity. Atomic size लहान असली तर न्यूक्लियस आणि शेवटची व्हॅलेन्स शेल यांचं अंतर कमी राहतं. आपण इलेक्ट्रॉन कशात ऍड करतो? शेवटच्या लास्ट व्हॅलेन्स शेल मध्ये ऍड करतो. अंतर कमी असल्यामुळे ऍड केला जाणारा इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि न्यूक्लियस यांच्यामधलं अट्रॅक्शन वाढत जातं. इलेक्ट्रॉन त्या अट्रॅक्शनमुळे इझिली ऍड होतो म्हणून जास्त एनर्जी बाहेर पडते, म्हणून इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी जास्त राहते जर ॲटॉमिक साइज ही स्मॉल असेल. Sorry. Now second factor is effective nuclear charge. Greater is the nuclear charge of element, stronger is the attraction of its nucleus for the incoming added electron. न्यूक्लियर चार्ज म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, न्यूक्लियसचा सेंटर मधला चार्ज, तो जितका जास्त असेल तितका इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन फास्टली काय होईल? अट्रॅक्ट होईल. म्हणून ॲज द न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इन्क्रीजेस, इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी ऑल्सो गोज ऑन increasing. Third factor is a screening effect, or it is also known as a shielding effect. The electron affinity decreases with increasing shielding effect or screening effect. This is because screening effect make a shield between attractive nuclear force and the incoming electron, not allowed to reach nuclear force to the last electron or incoming electron. Hence incoming electron does not get attracted towards the nucleus, and hence due to the less nuclear attraction, amount of energy given out is less. Hence as screening effect increases, electron affinity decreases. Screening effect म्हणजे इनर इलेक्ट्रॉन, जे मधले इलेक्ट्रॉन असतात ते एक प्रकारची भिंत तयार करतात. कोणामध्ये? लास्ट व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन मधले शेल मध्ये आणि न्यूक्लियस मध्ये. ते भिंतीसारखा इफेक्ट दाखवतात, म्हणजेच ते न्यूक्लियरचा फोर्स शेवटच्या इलेक्ट्रॉन पर्यंत पोहोचू देत नाही, शेवटचा इलेक्ट्रॉन आतमध्ये अट्रॅक्ट केला जात नाही, आणि म्हणून स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट जर स्ट्रॉंगर असेल तर इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी ही लेस असते किंवा डिक्रीज होते. Fourth one is a electronic configuration. The element which have stable electronic configuration such as half-filled orbital, full-filled orbital, they possesses negligible electron affinity, and noble gases almost possesses zero electron affinity. Example is beryllium 1s2 2s2 complete duet, so fulfilled electronic configuration. Nitrogen having atomic number 7 1s2 2s2 2p3. P orbital is half filled having a special stability, and so on. So these are the elements which are having negligible electron affinity. Due to this reason, electron affinity trend we cannot observe in a continuous manner. There is a zigzag manner observation in electron affinity is seen. Now guys, thank you for watching electron affinity video. Now again, there are